Exposing the myths about Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Part 1. A common myth about Jesus Christ is the saying that people use Jesus Christ's name to do witchcraft. That is a lie. Practitioners of the occult do not use Jesus Christ's name to do the witchcraft. The demon they summon does that. But here's the tricky part. In order for demons to respond to them when they call, they have to use their authority over demons given to every human being by God. Luke 10:19. They misuse the authority God gave them to carry out their mischief. They trick the demon into responding by using the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth to summon it. Because demons are terrified of Jesus. So, witches and warlocks only use the name of Jesus Christ to summon demons, only because demons only respond to the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Once the demon is summoned, the person doing the witchcraft traps the demon with the rituals and symbols that they have set up for its arrival, and presents the demon with a deal. Demons love deals, so they oblige. Were there others who share the name Jesus at the time he was walking to earth? Yes, but demons only bow to the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Wherefore God also hath highly exalted him, and given him a name which is above every name, that at the name of Jesus every knee should bow, of things in heaven, and things in earth, and things under the earth,